Yo, what's up guys? What if I told you that you could save an extra $500, maybe even $1,000 every single month? No second job, no lottery ticket. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down 7 no BS money hacks. Tip number 1, the 24-hour rule. Before you buy anything, you wait 24 hours. Impulse buying is the #1 silent killer of budgets. One habit, hundreds of dollars saved. Tip 2, automate that money, baby. Set up an auto transfer the same day your paycheck hits. HYSAs are paying like 4% plus. That's insane compared to a regular checking account. If you never see the money, you'll never miss it. Tip 3, go audit your subscriptions right now. Pause the video if you have to. The average person is bleeding over $200 a month on subscriptions they forgot exist. Cancel anything you haven't touched in 30 days. Boom! Instant $50 to $150 back in your pocket. People are dropping $3,000 plus a year on takeout and restaurants. That's insane. That's insane. Meal prep just 3 days a week, and you can literally cut that number in half. Shop with a list. Use your store's loyalty app and grab the generic brand. Same factory, less money. Tip 5, the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings and debt. Doesn't matter if you're making $30K or $130K a year. This rule scales with you. If hitting 20% feels impossible right now, start at 5%. Build up. Progress over perfection. Tip 6, negotiate your bills. Call your internet, phone, or insurance company and just ask for a lower rate. A 10-minute phone call can save you $300 a year. $300 a year! Track every dollar. Grab a free app like Mint or YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet. People who actually track their spending save on average 20% more than people who don't. Smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and comment down below which tip you're starting with first.